How to change your email address on iPhone. If you want to change your email address on iPhone, it is very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do to change our email address is open up Settings, tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen, then tap on Sign In and Security. From here you'll find the option at the top that says Add Email or Phone Number. If you've already added a certain email, this is the primary email for your Apple ID. So first of all, what we will do is we will remove this from account by tapping on Remove from Account. Before that, it might ask you to add another email. So just tap on Add Email or Phone Number and then tap on New iCloud email address, create a new email address and tap on Continue. Then make that your primary email address, and once done, you can come back and then remove the previous email address. This way you can change your email address on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.